Hello, my name is Teacher Jake, and welcome to our speaking test for movers. What's your name?
My name is James.
How old are you, James?
11 years old.
And how are you today, James?
I'm 5.
Alright. Now, James, look at these pictures. They look the same, but some things are different. Here, the woman's wearing a jacket, but here, the woman's wearing a coat. What other different things can you see?
The world like scattered.
Yeah.
The boy have a purple
Helmet.
cap.
Helmet. How about the trees?
The tree. The tree is 5. There are 5 trees in the picture.
Mm-hmm. How about the other one?
The, there are 4 trees in the picture.
Alright, thank you. So next. Okay, wait a minute. So let's have this story, James. It's called Claire and the Monkey. So Claire is having fun on the beach and she's reading a comic. A monkey is looking at her baseball cap. Now you tell the story, James.
The monkey is next to the pond. The monkey has a green cap, and the corn is in the beach. The in the monkey has a pink cap. The bird has a banana. The monkey eats banana, and the bird has a pink cap.
Okay. Next, James. You tell me which picture is different. Example, the book is different because we read books, and other pictures, they're fruits, we eat them. How about here? Which one is different and why? Yes? Washing. Yes, they can't fly. So, this time, James, I'm going to ask you about your school. How do you travel to school in the morning? You do morning exercise, and how do you travel to school in the morning? Is it by bike, by car, what?
I
And who do you talk to at school?
At school, I talking with my friends.
And what do you like doing at school, James?
I play badminton.
Mm-hmm. And then tell me about your school, James.
The school
Yes, sorry? What was your school about? My school is
my school is
big.
my school is big.
Okay, and then?
And many classmates.
Okay, you've got lots of classmates. Alright, that's the end of our speaking test. James, say goodbye to the video.
Goodbye.